What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike FX speaking, and we're back again with another video. This is a weekly analysis. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys had a wonderful week last week. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, man. Hope you guys are rested. Hope you guys did something productive during the weekend. As I always suggest and recommend that you do something of value during the weekend. Don't just throw the weekend away just like that, but do something of value. Do something to improve yourself and your trading as a whole. So hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, and we're back again here, man. We're gonna be looking at Nasdaq for the coming week. It's been such a great week, man. We had such a great month, November. We're getting to December this coming week, and I believe it's gonna be NFP this week. So some of you guys need to be extra careful with how you approach the markets this week. It may be kind of kind of tricky, and you may expect the market to be kind of slow building up to Friday, and then we'll be expecting that huge volatility come in during NFP, right? And all those news events. So it's very important to combine technicals with fundamentals, because if you just look at technicals, your technicals may be correct, but your fundamentals may be there hindering you, and you may find yourself that you're holding trades that you shouldn't be holding, and you're in the market when you should not be in the market based on fundamentals, right? Those are the factors that you need to make sure that you get down before you actually place a trade. Every single day when I go about my trading day, I make sure that first things first, before I even look at the markets, I look at the events for the week, right? I make sure that today there's nothing that will be disturbing my setups, and I'll make sure that I understand exactly what is happening fundamental wise. So make sure that you have that down, right? So hope you guys are doing great, man. I don't want to make this video longer than it should be, so let's just get straight into it, right? We have Nasdaq here. We will be analyzing Nasdaq, just Nasdaq, guys, because I just love NAS 100, man. Maybe in the coming weeks I'll start analyzing US 30 and German 30, and some of you guys asked for oil, so I may just analyze oil here and there. So yeah, but just today I'll just be looking at Nasdaq, and I hope you guys are doing great, man. If you've not liked the video, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below, man. We appreciate every single member that is subscribing, that is liking the video. We appreciate and are grateful for each and every one of you guys. You are the people that make me wake up in the morning and want to do these videos and bring you guys this much content, right? So yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and do all that things. So let's get straight into it, man. So Nasdaq, right? It's been in this ascending channel uh, for the past, what, I don't know how long, but we've been in this ascending channel. As you can see, the market is pushing to the upside in a very steady fashion, right? And if you can just adjust to operate that high there, you'll see that now we have this sort of structure there, just to focus on the most recent price action, right? Because we can look at what happened there, but what's most important is what is happening right now, right? What is happening right now and the market is doing. So if we have this ascending channel there in the daily time frame, let's jump to the 4-hour and see what the market has for us. And if you jump to the 4-hour, you'll see much clearer that we are still in that we were actually in that ascending channel there. That time when I recorded that video, then that analysis video, I think you can take it from this high, right? Let me just put it here to make my charts look much cleaner, right? So as you can see, let's touch there and a second touch there, and we have an amazing breakout occur there, with the market pushing to the downside very impulsively there. And we talked about this in our previous analysis video. If you've not watched that video, please check it out. You'll get to understand some of the things that happened last week and why those things happened. I told you guys we were looking at this type of structure there. I told you guys that you would expect price to drop from here and give us a nice consolidation before shooting all the way to the downside, right? Which we did get. If you go down to the 15-minute, you'll see this consolidation much clearer, right? So that is it. That happened. That is what happened last week, right? So this week we saw price breaking this level of structure. We saw price breaking this structure there, this level of support, breaking it impulsively, and now coming back and failing to break these highs, which confirms to us that the direction has changed, at least for now, right? The market has reversed and is now pushing to the downside, right? We are seeing the market. Let me just start from here. We have this low, right? And the market pushed to create a high. We're still bullish here, but the market came back and broke this low and created a lower low, right? This is a lower low, and the market came up, failed to break this high, creating a lower high, right? This is a lower high, and the market started breaking this low, confirming to us that it is indeed in a bearish market right now, right? As we broke that low to create even a lower low, right? So right now we are very much still bearish, and we are expecting price to come up to create that the lower high, that needs to be printed. And as you can see right here, you can put your management line somewhere there. Let me just, I made a mistake there. You can put your management line there so that you can be able to see exactly what is happening there, right? The market is quite bearish right now, so we are expecting price to drop and probably reject from these areas there. Sorry about that. Let me just use my support there. This is an area where we could potentially see price coming to. Let me just move this. We may start seeing price come here and then starting to come up, right, in a corrective fashion to tap those highs before shooting to the downside, right? That is what you could potentially expect for price to come up correctively. But what is most important is that price should not break these highs. Whenever price comes up, it shouldn't break these highs. When you start breaking these highs and coming up to these highs, then we have a ranging market. We have to see what the market is saying to us, because when it start breaking higher, when you start breaking lower highs, then the downtrend is not valid anymore. So that is what you just have to pay attention to this week. We could expect price to drop even further, but we just have to wait and see what the market has for us this week. And if you can just zoom out a little bit, you see, let me just remove some of these things so that you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about here. So what I'm talking about, this level of structure there, which was created there, right? And we have our left shoulder here, we have our right shoulder there, oh, we have our head there, sorry, and we have our right shoulder somewhere there, right? Sorry about that. We have our right shoulder there, so we could expect to drop and come up to these retest, and then we'll take that stuff from there. So that is what you could potentially expect for this week. So that's just it from me. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'll see each other.